Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will solve the area of square in C sharp. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support by watching, viewing, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out Marshmallow, Sir Ernil, and Ma'am Robilin. So let's get started. So we are here, no, in by Visual Studio Code, Studio, no. So we have here area of the square in C sharp, the title of program, and then give the side value, no. We will store the variable in side integer value. So to solve the area of the square, we simply multiply side by itself twice, no. So double solve underscore area, so the result is plus area, and then we end the program here that informs the user that the program has ended and read key. Okay, so let us run the code. Area of square in C sharp, give the side value, let's say 5. The result is 25. End of program. Another example, we have 7. The result is 49. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to solve the area of square in C sharp programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.